Hello everyone, in this video we will solve question number 2 from exercise 17.1 course book 7 chapter name position and movement. So what's the question? Copy each diagram. We have 4 diagrams A, B, C, D. Copy each diagram and reflect the shape in the mirror line. Right now I don't have square line book, so I'll complete this question on the textbook itself for you. Copy the diagram first, then draw the reflection part. Okay, I repeat, I don't have the square line book right now, so I am solving this question in the course book itself. For you, if you have the square line book or page, first copy the diagram, then proceed with the reflection part. So copy each diagram and reflect the shape in the mirror line. Now this is the mirror line. Okay, so what you can do, you can just check all the vertices of the shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what happens, it becomes easy for you to draw the diagram. Over here, this is 2 boxes. It covers 2 boxes. If I say that one box is 1 unit, so this length is 2 unit. That is on the left of the mirror line. So the reflection will be 2 units on the right of the mirror line. So first line can be drawn this way. Okay. Now coming to this point, this side is common. Okay, now this is one box to the left from the mirror line, so the reflection will be one box to the right of the mirror line. So you can complete the shape this way. From here till this point, what's the length? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can do the same thing over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look over here, this point is 1 on the left, so the point will be 1 on the right. Now I've got all the vertices, I can join them and I can shade it, and a reflected shape is ready. See, some of you can do it without counting all the vertices, you can do it directly as well, but the method is applicable for all kind of reflection. Okay, so you should know the basics. Coming to question B, now you can see a line over here. First we'll draw the reflection of this line, so it is 1 down. Okay, so on the same line it will be 1 up. Okay, 1 down, 1 up. So the line is drawn. Now look at this line, this vertex, this vertex. From the mirror line it is 1, 2 down, so it will be 1, 2 up over here. What about this vertex? 1, 2 down. So reflection from the mirror line. Reflection from the mirror line will be 1, 2 up. Now just join these points and our shape is ready. So this is the reflected shape for B. Easy. Let's move on to question number C now. Let's mark the vertices. 1, 2, 3. See, if you can directly draw the reflected shape, no issues. But if there is any kind of confusion, always begin with the vertices. The first vertex is 1 unit to the left, so reflection will be 1 into the right. Okay, if I name this shape as vertex as A, the reflection can be A dash. If this is B, this is C. Now look at B. What is the distance of B? 1, 2, 3 on the left. So reflection will be 1, 2, 3 on the right. So here I will get B dash. Now the point C is on the mirror line, so reflection will lie at the same point. Just join them and our reflected shape is ready. Coming to question D. I remind you, if the shape is complicated or the reflection is complicated, always begin with the vertices. Now first look at the base. What's the length of the base? 4 units, that is 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reflection of this point and reflection of this point, where will it lie? This is one box up, So reflection will be one box down. This is one box or 1 unit up, reflection will be 1 unit down. So the base is ready. Okay, now this length is 2. So from here I can draw the length of 2. There's no need to check this distance, okay? You can do it directly. Now over here this line is diagonal. Okay, so what you can do, you can draw a diagonal line over here. Is it reflecting? Yes. Then 1 unit over here, same applies over here. Now this is going diagonally up. From here it is going diagonally up. So if over here it will be diagonally down. The other way is counting the number of steps from the mirror line. 1, 2, 3 up. I can check this way. 1, 2, 3 down. Is it matching? Yes. Now just join these two vertices and our shape is, reflected shape is ready. I remind you, if you are unable to do it directly, always draw the reflection of all the vertices, then just join the vertices, you will get the shape. So we are done with question number 2. What is the question? Copy each diagram and reflect the shape into the mirror line. Since I don't have the square line book right now, I have done this on the course book itself. Okay, pause the video in between if needed and try to solve these problems on your own. Thank you.